Hey guys, this is Abe Jacobs again, and I'm back today with another business opportunity in which we call arbitrage trading. As we know, arbitrage is a business where you buy low from one exchange and you sell high another exchange, therefore, you are getting your profit. And in today's particular arbitrage business model, we'll be making only use of a verified Binance account. You'll be making use of a verified Binance account. If you want to get into the business of arbitrage trading, Binance is the number one app you will need to have because it is mostly the final endpoint where we transact most of our businesses. So you need to make sure you have a verified Binance account before you can start your arbitrage trading. Now in this particular video, we are not going to be sending money across anywhere. Everything we want to do is gonna be on Binance. Everything we want to do is gonna be on Binance. And now for this particular arbitrage trading, you'll be needing three things. You'll be needing BTC NGN, BNB BTC, and the P2P market. Now for this particular business model, if you are starting with about 500,000, this is how it is going to go. Now all you have to do is log into your Binance account, go to BTC NGN, buy BTC NGN. Let's buy 500,000 worth of BTC with our Naira. So if we are looking at this, we are getting 0.02015 BTC. Now we copy that value. Now all you have to do is just switch your market to the BNB BTC, because we want to use our BTC to get what? We want to use our BTC to get BNB. Now that BTC that we got before, we paste it here. We'll be getting 2.52 BNB. We'll be getting what? 2.52 BNB. Now after we've gotten our 2.52 BNB, all we have to do is to go straight to the what? Go straight to the P2P market. Go straight to the P2P market. Remember, we are starting with 500,000. So we go to the sell site of the BNB market in the P2P. Now this is 200,000. Okay, we can still go with this. Now all you have to do is just sell your BNB here. And as you can see right here, from our 500,000, we've gotten 514,017.86. We've gotten 14,017.86 from our 500,000 deposit. Now, one thing I like about this arbitrage is that you can do it all at once in Binance. You don't have to move funds. They won't collect any fees from you. And since it's still Binance, which is the number one legit crypto platform, you can do this unlimitedly. Now we are making 14,017 naira and 86 kobo. Now, if you are able to do this successfully in one day, let's say we do it 10 times in one day, we get 140,000. If you're able to do it successfully in 7 weeks, you get 981,000. And if you're able to do this successfully in 1 month, you get 29.4 million naira. So this is another arbitrage opportunity for you guys. Like I said, you're only making use of Binance. You're not making use of any website or any other thing. All you have to do is just deposit your capital, buy BNB, buy BTC with your Naira, flip it to BNB, then sell it off at the P2P market. So that's all about it, about this particular business opportunity. Subscribe and like this video so that once I'm releasing more videos on arbitrage trading, on any business updates I come about with, I can be dropping it for you guys, and you guys can be getting the notifications from me. So if you have that capital you want to start now, you can start this little opportunity and make your millions per day. Feel free to hit me up on WhatsApp, Telegram, or any social media on any question you have whatsoever, and I'll be there to reply you and also provide you with any services I could render as well. Thank you and goodbye.